Hi, I'm Rebecca.
He was up for
This is Coach Sherry. And this is Miss Bill.
Yeah.
And this is Miss Sowell. This is Mia, Camille,
He got wore out this morning.
Emily,
When I tell you,
Jordan.
What?
he never acted the way he did today at that school when we tried to give him
All
his
right.
medicine.
Guys,
I'm talking about
the main
he broke
song.
loose from me, me, Temple, and Titus.
They went with y'all this morning?
Nah, they came up there at 10 just to give him his medicine because the lady up there wouldn't do it.
Uh-huh.
You gotta leave it on there, baby. Close it. Let it hey, look.